Hello, my name is Mariana Rodriguez, and I was one of the artists who worked at the Sunflower Park under the Arts Alliance. I think what I most got out of this experience and of being able to paint at Sunflower Park was just seeing the community grow. For me, I've grown up around that community and I've played at that park many times, but as I gotten older, I've realized that there's less and less kids going to that park, even though it's thought to be such a safe park because it's only a one entrance park. And you could just through the years you could just see there'd be bits of vandalism on it, and then it wasn't a park that was being used as much anymore. And so when we got the opportunity to go paint at the park to help prevent the vandalism that was happening at the park, I don't know, it just it filled up with a bunch of little kids, more families came to the park, and I really enjoyed seeing some of these families using the mural as a teaching experience of asking their little ones what animal is this, or how many of these animals are there, and they'd learn counting from it, colors, different variety of animals. And then just another short little experience that I had was this little girl walking up to me and then realizing that it was one of my teacher's daughters actually, and it brought so much warmth to my heart that I could bring this to her generation and just to further generations to help them out and make them feel like the park is a place where they can go and have fun.